Hey boos, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a DIY tutorial on how I do my nails at home. So if you are interested, then please keep watching. So these are the nails that I will be using for this video. I got these nails off of Amazon for $10. I believe I got 600 pieces and they're in the style ballerina. So right now you will see me sizing my nails to make sure that the nails will fit properly. Sometimes the nails will be a little too big, so you can easily fix that by filing them down so that they're able to fit your nail. And now that we have the different sizes that we'll be using, it's time for us to prep them. I decided to go with the color red by Wet n Wild. I found this pretty cool nail hack that I saw online that I'll be using for this video for the first time. So pretty much what you'll do is you'll take a piece of tape and then you will roll the tape, stick the tape to the back of the nail, and then you will take a Q-tip and place the Q-tip on top of the tape. So what I'm doing now is I am polishing all of my nails. This is actually my first time polishing the nails before I put them on my finger. I wanted to try something different. And look at that color. That color looks amazing. So now I'm going to show you guys again the nail hack. Remember to take the tape and to roll it, stick it on the back of the nail, then take a Q-tip and stick it on top of the tape, making sure that everything is secure by pressing it down, and then grab your polish and polish over your nails. So now all of our nails are polished. I'm going to allow them to dry for at least 10 minutes before I put on the top coat. Going in with my LA Colors Rapid Dry top coat, and I'm going to apply it to all of my nails, and I'm going to allow the nails to dry at least for 10 more minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. And then after they dry, I will add my nail art jewels. And I will be using the Kiss nail glue to glue down the jewels. Usually I use super glue, but I ran out of super glue, so I had to use nail glue. But right here I'm just placing the jewels on. I wanted to do something simple for this look. Now we're done with our left hand. It's time to move on to the right. Also with the beads, it comes with a stick, but I lost my stick, so I have to use my hand. We are finished with our jewels and our nails have completely dried. It's time to prep our nails. So first I'm taking off the nail polish, pushing back my cuticles and filing down my nails. Now I am gluing the nails onto my fingernails. I hold the nails down for at least 30 to 45 seconds. You can leave your nails like this, but since I work with children, I like to cut my nails down a little shorter. So I'm going to take some scissors and I'm going to cut it down to the size that I want, and then I'm going to file them down. And now we are done with our DIY nails Valentine's Day edition. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.